You have part one. Please sing this beautiful song with me, For You. Ooh, ooh. For you I'd give a lifetime of stability. Anything you want from me. Nothing is impossible. For you there are no words or ways to show my love, or all the thoughts I'm thinking of. 'Cause this life is no good alone. Since we've become one, I've made a change, and everything I do now makes sense. All rose in, all I do is for you. For you I share the cup of love that overflows, and anyone who knows us knows that I would change all faults I have. For you there is no low or high or in between of my heart that you haven't seen. 'Cause I share all I have and am. Nothing I've said is hard to understand, and all I feel deeper still, and always will. All this love is for you. Every note that I play, every word I might say, every melody I feel are only for you and your appeal. Every page that I write, every day of my life would not be filled without the things that my love for you now brings. For you I make a promise of fidelity, now and for eternity. No one could replace this vow. For you I'd take your hand and heart and everything, and add to them a wedding ring. 'Cause this life is no good alone. Since we've become one, you're all I know. If this feeling should leave, I'd die. And here's why: all I am is for you. Everything I do now makes sense. All rose in, and all I do is for you. Only for you. Only for you. Only for you. Such a pretty song. Let's sing.